What?
Look at all them duckies.
I think they're gonna find food.
They're looking for food, yeah.
Oh, I can see them food. Like, can
Duckies.
you go?
Can I go?
No, on the boat.
I'm gonna go on the boat. I'm looking at the duckies. Look at all them, whole family of duckies.
Oh, I think they want mommy or daddy.
Yeah, well they got their mommy and daddy. That's what they're looking. That's what they're doing. Yeah, they all swam away. We gonna go on the boat now?
No, you.
I gotta go on the boat
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, I had to pick me up.
Oop.
They're all there.
There's the duckies over there. Oh my goodness.
Daddy, I'm gonna go on that first. Daddy, I gotta go fall in there. I gotta fall in there.
Why would I fall? Come on.
No.
Give me a hand.
No.
Give me that hand.
Oh, hey, the duckies.
There's the duckies. Come on.
Daddy, go up there first.
I'm gonna
Pull
get-
them away.
I'm gonna, let me put the, I'll put the chain down.
Dad, I can do it over myself.
You're gonna do it by yourself?
Yeah.
You better give me your hand to help you.
No.
Oh my
You
goodness.
do two hands.
2 hands.
Yeah, put both of them like there.
Alright, hold on.
I love my.
You there? You get on there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that spider web?
Spider webs.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dad, I want to say hi to duckies.
You gonna say hi to the duckies?
Yeah. What is them?
Yeah.
Hi.
There's the duckies.
Hi. Now I'll put this away.